Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can follow accounts on Pinterest. So first, for instance, you want to follow the person who posted this, and you are just going to, I don't think that they have an account here. What about this one? Okay, so Melis, I don't know if I'm saying that right. And I just want to follow this person's account. So go to their Pinterest account and press follow. And again, the glitch. But that's it. To unfollow, just click on the button again. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!